We are offshore in the boat. Don't lose it now. Oh, I'm getting smoked.
Oh, it's Seabass.
I'm getting smoked.
And it is way too small.
Yeah, toss them back. Hurry, they're down there. Oh, I'm getting. Oh, I'm on. Oh, I'm on, buddy.
Come here, buddy. Try not to kill yourself, buddy.
You gotta find a pack. It's a start.
Let's do it.
Hopefully these T-Togs show up. Smoked Hamilton.
Huh?
I'm getting smoked. Oh, they're down there. This might be a tog. Nope, another sea bass. There's a better fish. This might be a tog. Or a better sea bass. Oh, this might be a keeper. It'll be close. This one's digging a little more. Oh, that'll eat. He'll eat. Then hold it tight. Oh. Oh, down and back. I don't know. This one might be a keeper. I'll measure this one just to see. Oh. Oh, that's a good one. That's actually a good one. That's a proper one. Oh, no. Oh, maybe. Oh, hell yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, no, I think I lost a big one. Maybe not. What's going on, dude?
I don't know.
I'm putting a whack on you. There's another one that might be a keeper.
Gonna have to switch sides of the boat.
Yeah, fish the other side. That actually made a difference last time. This is not a keeper. Ooh, 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 ooh. Make sure you're on it. Don't be too far off the bottom. That might be a keeper. No, it's not.
Oh.
No, hold on. Let it go slack. Let it go slack.
Oh, wait. We're golden.
Told you. Feels good. He was sitting on that thing. No. Oh, maybe. Might be worth fishing your other rod, honestly.
Huh?
Might be worth fishing the other rod.
It could be. It could be the bright yellow string.
That has nothing to do with it. Noah probably caught 50 fish on that rod last time. It's not like that's the leader and that's what they see. This might be a tog. It's either a tog or a good sea bass. There's a keeper sea bass. Oh, do you think the swell's getting bigger, Hamilton?
Yeah, that was how it's possible, but
Yay!
you finally caught a tog.
It's not a keeper, but it's a tog. It's a good sign. It's a good one. I knew there was one of them out here. I knew they'd like this fish bait shrimp duo. Hole. You look so speedy with those glasses on.
I know, I look stupid in them.
Is this gonna be a back-to-back tautog? I think it's a Seabass. A Sebastian. It is a Sebastian.
Past the canyon.
Like past the canyon. That's a good old pile of them down there. Maybe it's a tautog. No, it's not a tautog.
Seabass are annoying.
The only thing out here right now, so I don't care catching them. When there's no specks and no drum and no nothing, there is drum in the inlet. It's just like
We just look like trout fishing.
what?
Yeah, you said something about trout fishing.
I said if it's bad, I'm not gonna go out. We'll just go trout fishing or drum fishing, but not trout. There's no trout at all.
Yeah,
That's a good Seabass. Oh, if it's a, hopefully it's not a dog. If it's a Seabass, it's a good one. No, I don't. Oh my God, he popped. That was the best fish I've had all day. Shite.
Place water for hook.
You think it's because of that?
Yeah.
Not because he can swim, that's for sure. Whoa, big old swell. This feels like a better fish. Hopefully it's not a dog.
I feel like we drifted really far.
From the ocean?
No, from the actual wreck.
No, I'm on it right now. We're getting out of this joint.
No, I don't think the fish were they weren't motivated.
Alright, we are back at the house. Cleaned the boat down and everything, and I'm about to start filleting the fish. I killed 16 fish between the two of us. Poor guy got sick halfway through and didn't fish anymore, but I'm gonna cut them. And yeah, cut them, put them inside, and make some din din. Fish. Got all the lights on. Gonna start filleting. That was like the last nice day we're gonna get sea bass fish in the little boat, at least for the February season, but Tog is right around the corner. We're gonna start doing that in the islands. Can't really do it in the ocean because we can't really get far enough to where they're at. But when they get close in the bay, we're gonna be on them in this little rig. Handled really well for being out in the ocean. Really swelly, but I mean, nice day. These are just some of the bigger ones from today. Some 15 inchers in there, 16, 18 inchers. Let's go cook these fillets up. Tonight I'm just gonna cook up these 3 fillets from the smaller fish. Nice and pretty meaty fillets. These are from like the 13, 14 inch fish. But put these on with some butter, salt, simple seasoning, stuff like a little bit of that. Get a little bit of pepper up in there. Yep. Simple, just fish and butter fillets. Gonna be nice and good. Alright, they are all seasoned. I decided to do 4 because 3 is a weird number. When everyone asks me why I didn't keep 40 keeper fish that were all, 20 inches long like all the guys that were 80 miles offshore did, it's because I was in a 16-foot bay boat, 10 miles offshore, and like a 60-foot deep wreck. And I'm taking what I can get, which is 13 to 18 inch sea bass, and not a bad amount. They're ready to go on once this is ready. Ready to go. All done. Nice and flaky white. There's the finished product. It's a nice, yummy looking sea bass.